I'm gonna leave this in now for 10 minutes and then I show you the finishing after rinsing out the shampoo. So stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today with another video of my life. Today I will be doing hair dye shampoo dye. I bought this shampoo dye. So I'm gonna try it out to see how well it works for me. So I'm gonna do the routine. Look at my hair. This is my hair. I'm gonna get it all black. I want to get it all black. So guys, enjoy this video. I want to see if it really works for me and how long it will take to stay if it works. So I'm gonna apply the dye. But guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with your post notification bell on, so you will be notified when I post my next video. So here I have my gloves on. These came with the hair dye. I will do it section by section. My hair was flat and I pulled them, so I will do it section by section, starting from the front. So I'm gonna try to do this. I don't even know. Trying to pull the bottle. We're gonna put the dye in our hands like this, and you're gonna do like this until it is foamy. Then you're gonna apply to the root. And you have to do it while the hair is dry. Just trying it out. And if this works, this is what I will be using for the rest of the time. And yes guys, I bought this dye on Temu. and it's not dirty. I notice it is not messing up my skin. So I will do it portion by portion. Shampoo applied to my hair. Look at the gloves, it's white. So you leave this in for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can rinse it out. But guys, I have a very sensitive scalp, so it is a bit itchy for me because my scalp is very sensitive. So it's itching me, but not to the extent that I can't bear it. This is the back of my hair. I'm gonna leave this now for 10 minutes and then I show you the finishing after rinsing out the shampoo. So stay tuned. So guys, here I am back. I am finished with my hair dye routine. Now, just to show you what my hair looks like, it's all black. It's all black. I am pleased with the finishing, and what I like about this, it's not messy, because even my fingers, I did not use the gloves after applying the dye to my hair, the shampoo to my hair. I did not use the gloves to wash out, and look at my nails, they are all clean, so it's not messy. I might have a few black spots on me, but after I have a bath, then they will go away. So guys, you can try it out, and it's not expensive because this one is for 10 euros, $10, I should say $10, so it's not expensive. And yes, I have to apply. Well, it is of your choice if you want to use another shampoo after using this. I did. So you can use any shampoo of your choice along with a conditioner, because the after washing out this, the hair is very knotty. Yeah, so I think you're gonna need a very soft conditioner to soften the hair. So tell me guys if you like my hair. Look at my hair. I am pleased. Let me show you the back. I am pleased with it. I am awesomely pleased with it, guys. Look at it. So I find a better product than the one I was using. Well, I don't know how long this will last in my hair. So until I will do another review to say how long it lasted. So stay tuned for that review to come up. So guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. You already know what to do. And guys, you can also go over to my second channel. If you're tired and bored of hearing me here, you can go over where you have some lovely, relaxing music, and that's where you will find it at Charms Mix Vlogs. I will display the channel here. So have a nice day. Enjoy yourself until we meet again on another video. Love you guys. Peace out.